Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert text in Paint. So if you want to do it, first you need to move your cursor to the upper side, and here you can find really interesting tools. I recommend you to go to icon with a text. It will let you to insert text into the picture, so I click on it. And then you need to click somewhere in the picture or in the background. So I click somewhere here. And first you need to select font that you want to use. For example, I will select here maybe another font. I select here Calibri. Then you need to select color that you want to use. I recommend you to use here black color, so I select here black. And then I will increase font size maybe to 48. It should be visible now. Of course, you can bold text, you can use italic font, you can underline text, or use strike through effect. This time I will not use any from these effects, so I type here "it is simple text," and how you see, text has been successfully added to our picture or background. Of course, you can change position of this text, you can stretch the box if you want, and you can move this text somewhere here, or somewhere here. Everything depends on your preferences. Or if you change position of the cursor to border and you press and hold left mouse button, you will be able to change position of this text to anywhere you want. So it is how it works. If I helped you to insert text in Paint, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.